السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. And this is our 10th lesson. As you can see, the name is SKOON. You are familiar with this sign. This is called SKOON sign. In madda letters and lean letters, we have discussed how ya with sukoon and how waw with sukoon will sound. But it's not like always waw or ya will come with sukoon. Any letter can come with sukoon. We have learned how waw with sukoon and ya with sukoon will sound in madda letters and lean letters. But basically any letter can come with sukoon sign. So in this exercise we are going to practice all the other letters, how it will sound if any other letter comes with sukoon on it. And we have learned that sukoon, this or JAZAM, a letter which will come with sukoon, it will be called sakin, and it's basically called connecting sign. So the letter with sukoon will not have any sound itself, it will always give sound and will be connected with the previous letter. Just like, let's say this is ha, it will be connected with the previous letter which will come any sign on it. So in this exercise we are just putting basically hamza or alif with a harakat on it, fatha, kasra, dhamma. So any letter can come on the place of alif, like ba can come, ta, tha, any letter throughout the alphabets can come. Basically this is the basic form. So if you will understand this shape, you can inshallah basically understand what other letters will sound like. So a letter, a letter will give only sound if it will come with fatha, kasra, dhamma, or tanween, or standing fatha, kasra, dhamma. Okay, but if a letter is coming with sukoon, it will be just like give if it's the initial sound, let's say the word is ba, so we are just going to be add b sound. If it's ta, we will add at the end of the t sound. Or besides kha and sheen, like sheen, for sheen we will add s and h sound, and for kha we will add k and h sound. Besides that, these two letters, each letter is going to give its first letter sound. Let's say the letter ta is starting with t, so after the sound we are going to add the t letter for sukoon. But in this exercise there are two types of sounds. There are few letters like qaf, ta, ba, jim and dal. These 5 letters are called echo letters. Echo, or in Urdu we call it qalqala letters. Qalqala letters. So basically, so let's say there is a word ta, it is not from out of the echo letters. So alif with fatha, we know it sounds a, and because of ta is starting with t sound, we are going to add t sound. So and this t sound is going to be light because of the letter ta. So this one will be sound as at. Alif with fatha will sound a. So a, and because of ta with sukoon we will add t sound, it will become at, not at. And if alif will come with kasra like that, so it will become hamza kasra e, so it will become it, or with e letter. And if it will come with dhamma on it, it will become ut. So this is a normal sound, ut. So the sound actually finishes, it does not bounce back. For echo letters the sound is going to be bounce back, like this is ba is from the echo letters. So whenever we read it, whenever you see any of the echo letters is coming with sukoon on it, we are going to make the echo sound. It will not be like ab, it will be ab, ab. Your lips will be, the sound will bounce back. Ab, ib, ub, just like echoing in the environment. Okay, the sound will bounce back. So this is an echo letter. Alif with fatha will be called a, and because of ba we will add b sound. Ab, alif with alif ba kasra, ib, and alif ba dhamma, ub. Okay, this is sukoon sign. So we will write it ab, ib, ub. And now you can see the jim. Jim is from the echo letters as well. It's right there. So hamza fatha will sound like a, and because of jim we will add j sound. It will be called aj. Okay, aj. Hamza kasra e. So basically with spellings we will do like this: hamza, jim, kasra, ij, or some people do hamza, kasra, jim, ij. Okay, basically this is connecting sign. You always connect the letter with sukoon sign with the previous letter which will come with any sign on it. Okay, you can see this is a madda letter, or this ha is coming with sukoon on it, so ha will be connected with the previous letter ra, which is having fatha on it, and this sin, it will be connected with this ba. So you can see it's not always like alif is not there, ba is coming. So ba with kasra will be b, and because of sin, ba kasra b, and because of sin we will add s sound, it will become bis. So basically it's just an example so how these letters will sound. So alif jim fatha aj, alif jim kasra ij, alif jim dhamma uj. Without spellings it will be aj, ij, uj. Okay, next ha, alif or hamza ha fatha ah, ah, hamza ha kasra ih. You see this sound, it will just each letter is getting because of the ha sound. Alif or hamza ha dhamma uh, ah, ih, Next hamza kha fatha akh, it will be akh. Hamza kha kasra ikh, hamza kha dhamma ukh, akh, ikh, ukh. Then hamza with dal, hamza dal fatha will be called ad, hamza dal kasra id, hamza dal dhamma ud. So dal is from echo letters, so we will do echo sounds: ad, id, ud. Next, this is zal, very soft. Hamza zal fatha az, hamza zal kasra iz, hamza zal dhamma uz, az, iz, uz. Okay, next hamza ra fatha ar, hamza ra kasra ir, hamza ra dhamma ur, ar, ir, ur. So ra is coming with kasra before it, so whenever ra comes kasra before it, the ra sound becomes light. Ar, ir, ur. Next sin, hamza sin fatha as, hamza sin kasra is, hamza sin dhamma us, as, is, us. Next, so basically we are reading the sound of Arabic, not the English. So if you will think it like English sound, it will be sound like as, is and us, but we are considering the Arabic sounds us, is, us. Basically after this sound, the letter sound, we are going to add the letter, whatever the letter is starting, we will add it. So the sin starts with S sound, we will add S. So zal starts with Z sound, we will add Z. Dal starts with D sound, ha starts with H sound, Jim starts with J sound, and ba starts with B sound. So you can see basically we are just adding all the letters starting with it. So, and you can see just for kha, you know, the letter kha starts with KH and the letter sheen starts with SH. So besides these are the only two letters. We will add two sounds, SH and KH. Besides that, we are just going to add basically the first letter, the letter with stars. Next, Hamza sheen fatha ash, Hamza sheen kasra ish, Hamza sheen dhamma ush, ash, ish, ush. Next, Hamza صاد فتحة أص, Hamza صاد كسرة إص, Hamza صاد ضمة أص, أص, إص, أص. Next, ضاد, Hamza ضاد فتحة أض, Hamza ضاد كسرة إض, Hamza ضاد ضمة أض, أض, إض, أض. Okay. Next, ta is from echo letters. Hamza ta fatha at, Hamza ta kasra it, Hamza ta dhamma ut, at, it, ut, ut. Okay. Next, so basically any letter can replace this alif. It's not just alif, any letter can come in the place of alif. Ba can come, ta, tha, jim, from all the alphabets. So now the next few letters I have written different letters. Let's say the sheen, if the sheen is joining with the qaf, so sheen with dhamma, you see, sheen with dhamma, we are going to add shu sound. Qaf is echo letters, so it will be echo. So sheen, qaf, dhamma, shuq. If we replace the dhamma with the fatha, now it will become sheen, qaf, fatha, shaq. If we will read it with kasra, it will become sheen, qaf, kasra, shiq. So you can, if we will replace it with sin, so it will become siq. And with fatha, it will become sin fatha sa. So after sa sound, we are going to just add q sound. It will become saq. You know, the qaf is echo, so saq. And if let's say the sin is coming with dhamma, so we will say sin dhamma su, so suq. Suq. Okay. Let's say now the letter qaf is joining with zal, so zal, qaf, kasra, ziq. And if the zal is having fatha on it, so now it will become zaq. Okay. And if the it's not fatha, it's dhamma, now it will become zuq. Okay, now you can see, let's say the alif letter is coming, uq. Okay, if alif with kasra will come, it will become iq. And if alif with fatha will come, it will become uq. Next, noon, let's say the ta is there and the letter ta is being joined by noon. Noon is having kasra, let's say it will become nit. And if the noon is coming with fatha on it, now it will become nat. If noon is coming with dhamma on it, it will become nut. Let's say we convert the noon with the letter ta, just we will place another dot. Now this is ta. So ta, ta, dhamma, tut. If we convert into fatha, ta, ta, fatha, tat. If we replace it with kasra, ta, ta, kasra, tit. So any letter will come with any, it can be joined by any letter. So inshallah in our 11th lesson we will discuss the words from this SKOON sign. So that's it for today inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.